Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook English peas. First, let us look at how to properly prepare them for cooking. Start by gently opening each pod, then run your thumb along the seam to free the small, vibrant peas inside. It is a simple, satisfying process that takes only a few minutes, yielding a sweet reward. Make sure to rinse them well after shelling, ensuring they are perfectly clean and ready for your pan or pot. The simplest way to prepare fresh English peas is through boiling. Bring a medium pot of water to a vigorous boil, adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt for every 4 cups of water. Carefully add your shelled peas, allowing them to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. This brief cooking time helps retain their bright green color and sweet, tender texture. To add a delicious depth of flavor, try sautéing your cooked peas. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of good quality unsalted butter in a medium skillet over medium-low heat. Add your freshly boiled or steamed peas to the pan, tossing them gently for about 1 minute. A hint of fresh mint or a tiny pinch of sea salt can elevate their natural sweetness beautifully. Cooked English peas are incredibly versatile, making them a fantastic addition to numerous meals. Serve them simply as a vibrant side dish, tossed with a touch of butter and a tiny sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. They also integrate beautifully into a creamy risotto, a light pasta primavera, or even a refreshing summer salad for added texture and sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.